Makita DJV181Z Brushless Jigsaw. Honest proof, this barrel grip is worth every cut. What if your jigsaw could follow your hand like an extension of your own instinct? Most people never experience that because their tool fights them. The blade drifts, vibration blurs the line, the grip sits too far from the work surface to feel truly connected. You compensate constantly, and the cut still wanders. That quiet frustration adds up fast on any project that demands accuracy. The Makita DJV181Z was designed to solve exactly that. Stick around, because this one is genuinely different.
Here's the real picture. You mark your cut line carefully, you position the saw, then the moment the blade engages, vibration starts traveling up through the handle. Your grip tightens, and precision slowly slips away. Top-handle jigsaws place your hand high above the work, which sounds fine until you are trying to steer a tight curve through hardwood or follow a traced line across a panel of aluminum. Corded saws drag cables. Budget cordless models run out of steam mid-cut or produce blade chatter that ruins a clean edge. And when idle vibration keeps rattling through your hand between cuts, fatigue sets in faster than you expect. Your line suffers, your finish suffers, and somewhere in the middle of reworking a cut that should have been right the first time, you start wondering whether the tool is actually the problem. It almost always is, and that is worth paying attention to.
Then, everything changed. Here is what actually works. The Makita DJV181Z is built around a design principle most jigsaws ignore entirely. Put the hand closer to the work. That barrel grip format repositions your control point right where it matters, and the difference is immediately felt on the first cut. Don't just pick any cordless jigsaw. Make sure it has a brushless motor with a soft no-load function, so you never experience uncontrolled idle vibration that throws off your cut line and drains your focus again. That soft no-load system automatically reduces blade stroke during idle. No rattling, no fighting. When you are ready to cut, variable speed from 800 to 3,500 strokes per minute gives you full command across wood, steel, and aluminum. 3 orbital settings let you shift between fast rough cuts and delicate finish passes without changing tools. Twin LED lights illuminate the line. The built-in blower clears dust so you actually see where you are going. Tool-free blade changes take seconds. The rigid aluminum base bevels cleanly to 45 degrees in both directions. Which feature matters most to your work right now? Drop it in the comments below. This saw earns that conversation every time. The numbers and the people behind this tool tell a consistent story. On eBay, the Makita DJV181Z holds a 4.8 out of 5-star rating across 34 product ratings. Amazon Australia shows over 4,400 ratings with more than 700 written reviews. That kind of volume does not happen with mediocre tools. One UK reviewer wrote that it feels more controllable than any jigsaw he had previously used, describing the barrel grip as a genuine design breakthrough that makes straight cuts easier and more natural. Another called it smoother and more accurate than a Festool 18-volt jigsaw, which is high praise in any serious woodworking conversation. Industry analysis consistently highlights the brushless motor and soft no-load function as technical standouts. Galaxis praised the LED visibility and easy blade changes as practical daily advantages. My personal observation? The balance at rest and in motion feels intentional, not accidental. This is a considered tool. The Makita DJV181Z turns an ordinary cutting session into something that actually feels controlled, accurate, and satisfying from the very first pass. Thousands of professionals and serious woodworkers already trust it on site and in the workshop every single day. If you are already running Makita 18-volt LXT batteries, this decision is even more straightforward. I have dropped my link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Just click and see for yourself whether it fits your setup. You deserve a jigsaw that genuinely works with you, not against you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.